Hey y'all, I'm Caroline. Welcome to the garden. Gardening is not only good for the body, but it's good for the soul. It's a healing place, a retreat from the fast-paced world around us. As the Southern Bell Pepper, I'm here to help you get started on your garden with simple, easy-to-follow tips. I hope you'll find some peace as you follow along. I'll meet you in the garden. I'm planting squash today, and while I wait for my videographer to finish mowing the grass, I thought I'd get started and talk to you about a few things. So I'm planting by seed. Squash and zucchini can be planted by seed, and they come up so quickly, and it's so fun to watch them grow. So I would suggest planting squash for sure. One reason people don't plant squash is because of the squash bugs. They are the worst. I hate them because right when your squash is getting ready to produce great squash, the squash bugs get in there and kill your plant. So what I do is I use 7 Dust. If you're okay with not being completely organic, 7 Dust is great. If you want to go 100% organic, a lot of people will pick off the bugs, scrape their eggs off, or even use like a soap mixture. So more info on that online if you want to go that route. Before we get started, take a look at these squash plants currently growing in my dad's garden. This is what yours could look like. All right, here we go. Out and aerate the soil, mix it with the bottom and top soil, and see what we have here. I've tilled my soil and it looks great, really aerated and beautiful. Got all the weeds out, so I'm ready to plant. So I have my seeds, and the thing about squash and zucchini, I think pumpkins too, you plant these in hills, that's what they call them, which typically meant actual hills rounded out. And the reason for that is these plants need more oxygen, but because this is pretty aerated soil, I'm not going to do a mound, but I will do a hill. And so in a hill, take a look at these seeds. They're pretty cool. They look just like pumpkin seeds. In a hill, you put about 5 or 6 in a circle. So I'm going to just put this about 1 inch in the ground. Pat them in the ground. Now I have some more left, so I'm going to do 2 more hills, one right here, one right there, and then I'm going to water it in. That's it.